Welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to start a new chapter in our EVS book, and the name of the chapter name is Weather and Clothes, and the chapter number is 18. In this chapter we will learn about the different types of weather and different types of clothes which we wear during a particular type of weather. In the last class, we have completed our chapter number 17, Air and Water. So now we are going to start with the chapter. Be ready with your books. Open page number 109. In this chapter, you will come to know about what is weather, types of weather, and different types of clothes according to weather. You will come to know about the weathers. वेदर क्या होता है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेदर्स, कितने टाइप्स के वेदर हैं, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर वी वेयर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. तो वो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के क्लोथ्स कौन कौन से हैं, यू विल कम टू नो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर. You wear different types of clothes, and these clothes are made up of different types of materials. So, at the last in this chapter, you will also come to know the materials which are used to make different types of clothes which we wear in different weather. So, now we are going to start and we will come to know about what is weather. Weather होता क्या है? Weather means the state of the air at a particular place and time. Weather का मतलब होता है किसी जगह पे, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे, किसी एक जगह पे हवा का क्या स्टेट है, हवा किस तरीके की है, रुकी हुई है, धीमी है, तेज है. द स्टेट ऑफ द एयर, द नेचर ऑफ द एयर, the blown the way the air is blowing, it is strong, heavy, the air is blowing slowly or it is running very fast. All these things, all these properties of air affect the weather of a particular place at a particular time. The state may be hot, हवा गर्म हो सकती है. कोल्ड, दैट मीन्स ठंडी हो सकती है. क्लाउडी मतलब बादल हो सकते हैं. विंडी मतलब एयर बहुत तेज से चल रही हो. रेनी, दैट मीन्स बारिश हो रही हो. स्टॉर्मी मीन्स बहुत तेज से आंधी तूफान हो. स्नोई मीन्स स्नोफॉल. ड्राई मीन्स बहुत ही रूखा मौसम. these types these all are the types of weather. It can be hot. Generally you have the hot weather when it is summer, जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, then it is hot, the weather is hot. ठंडियों में अभी इस time when you come out or when you are in your house, you will see that it is very cold. बहुत ठंडा होता है. This is because the weather is cold. The next is cloudy. मौसम बहुत खराब होता है. That is, there are clouds in the sky, black clouds which are filled with water. Windy, बहुत तेज से हवा चल रही होती है और बहुत हवा चलने की वजह से the weather is windy. Rainy, we can say when there are clouds and it's rain, then your weather is called as the rain. Stormy, stormy is when you have the so you can say when you have strong wind blowing, then it is in the form of storm. If we talk about the snow, when the snowfall takes place, it is snowy. And when it is dry, जब बहुत ही मौसम एकदम रूखा सा है, आपको बहुत ढेर सारा ऑयल पुट करना पड़ता है, बॉडी लोशन यूज करते हैं, दैट मीन्स द वेदर इज वेरी ड्राई. So this are all the type forms of weather. When you see the news, you must have noticed that the news reader talks about the weather of countries. आपने जब न्यूज़ देखा होगा, you must be watching the news on the news channel. You must have noticed that when the news reader reads the news or it tells about the weather of a country, he tells that this place it is very hot or next place it's raining. So these are the different weather, ये different weather है which affect the atmosphere, आपका environment affect होता है. They also tell us what weather we may have in the next few days. जो आप weather telecast होता है, we have so many scientists who are there in weather department and they forecast. वो पहले से बताते हैं कि कब बारिश होगी, कब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होगी, कब foggy होगा. So all these are the reports which we give from the weather departments and we hear all these things in the news channel. The next topic is types of weather. अब types of weather पढ़ने से पहले we are going to do the activity. And what you all have to do in this activity, you all have to take out your classwork copy and you have to show me by drawing how it is cloudy weather, how it is rainy weather, and how it is snowy weather, as well as how it is hot weather. आपको 4 weathers दिखाने हैं: hot weather, cloudy weather, rainy weather and the snowy weather.